traveling has been my driving force in life for the last 5 years. Whether it's by sea on my sailboat, or by land in my camper van and motorcycle, my sense of adventure has always acted as my compass. Subscribe to become a part of the journey and experience all the beautiful places and people I encounter along the way. In this episode, we start out by gathering our whole gang of buddy boats and hit the road for a full day of land exploration. But we very quickly run into a little bit of a problem.
You're out of fuel? Oh no! Rise out. You know, burned through a full tank already. And now we're gonna have to leave Brian. But there's a pool hall for him.
After a quick stop at a gas station, our crisis was averted and the gang was back on the road again. You see, the thing about living on a boat is that you don't have a vehicle. So whenever you do get a chance to get your hands on some wheels, you feel especially wild and free. Even though today was our day of land exploration, you can't take a bunch of sailors too far away from the sea. We decided the beach would be a great hangout spot for the afternoon, and once we arrived, we had to continue on this rough, sandy trail to make it down to the most picturesque part of the beach. We parked under the shade of the trees, soaked up this amazing view, and of course, had to grab a cold one. We were greeted by friendly locals making crafts on the beach, as well as selling handmade art and clothing. So today has been quite the grand adventure. The whole gang of us all rented motorcycles and have kind of gone for a giant rip around. We went through the city of Samana and now we have come to a pretty well-known beach called Playa Rincon, and it is beautiful. This is like the first bit of really blue clear water we've seen in the Dominican, and I mean it's a gorgeous beach. The sand's nice, there's mountains all around, so this has been a real treat. It's kind of one of the nicer places I think we've been to in the Dominican so far. And yeah, I mean, we've all had a blast just ripping motos around, and it's really nice to like get off the boat and get out and see more of the land, because you know, when you're in a marina and you're on the boat all the time, you kind of get stuck to the coastal areas, so getting to get out and explore is really good for all of us sailors. This is nice to have like a second motorcycle adventure.
Yeah.
I've done it a couple times here.
And one where you can actually go off-road and,
yeah,
you know, you're not destroying the thing on the way.
Because these ones are like full-on dirt bike style, whereas the last ones were kind of just like typical motorcycles.
Right, right. Yeah, these ones, aside from, we got a flat tire on one of the ATVs here,
yeah,
but other than that,
we're golden.
They're pretty good. Yeah. Beautiful scenery too.
All around, the vibe of Playa Rincon is nothing short of immaculate. As we walked up and down the beach, enjoying the crystal clear waters and the sunshine, there was really not much more one could ask for, except for maybe a fresh-made Coco Loco. Gracias. Coco Loco. On our way back from the beach, we took a little off-road detour and stumbled across something totally unique. Whoa! What the f? We realized that it was actually an old mine, and nearby was a small path that led into a massive cave. We had an absolutely phenomenal experience in the Dominican Republic, but eventually that time always comes to untie the lines and keep moving on to the next place. So as soon as the sun came up, we said our goodbyes to the Dominican Republic and set sail for Puerto Rico.
What has been your favorite part of the DR?
Motorcycles! No, but really just the recklessness here. I mean, not in a crazy way, but it's got like some of the old values you wish that most countries still had.
Wild and free.
A little bit wild, a little bit free. Yeah. And it's beautiful. Look at this place. It's incredible. But yeah. Just kind of relax with the bike.
We'll be back again.
We had a wonderful sail, complete with rainbows, which I always see as a good omen. And on top of that, we even had dolphins!